This is the Congo basin, Earth's second largest rainforest, and it's being tragically overlooked. Spanning 6 countries, this incredible forest absorbs around 600 million tons of carbon dioxide every single year. It's a biodiversity hotspot, home to gorillas, elephants, and thousands of other species. Plus, it supports the livelihoods of 130 million people. So why is it called the Forgotten Rainforest? Despite its massive size and crucial role in fighting climate change, it receives only a tiny fraction of global rainforest funding, just 16%. Meanwhile, the threats are growing. Deforestation is rising due to logging, mining, and illegal agriculture. This isn't just about trees. The peatlands here store billions of tons of carbon. If released, it would be a climate catastrophe. There is some good news. At the recent COP30 Climate Summit, experts called for urgent, long-term investment, and France just pledged $2.5 billion to help protect it. This is a critical first step. Losing this forest means losing more than just wildlife. It means accelerating climate change for everyone. It's time we give the Congo basin the attention it truly deserves. Thanks for watching, and follow for more.